Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video I will show you about neon orange nails and orange nail ideas. In this video I will describe about neon orange color and nails art. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you. If you are orange color lover, then this video becomes very helpful for you. Because in this video, I will show you about orange colors nail ideas, unique ideas and arts on your fingernails. Neon orange colors nails are a bold and vibrant choice that instantly grabs attention. In this video, I will show you various neon orange nail designs that are perfect for those seeking a fun and eye-catching manicure. From simple and unique designs to intricate and creative patterns, I will show you in this video a range of options to suit different styles and preferences. This video begins by introducing the trend of neon orange nails and highlighting its popularity in the fashion world. By this video, you can get many different neon orange nail designs. In this video, you can get different ideas like ombre, gradient, geometric shapes, abstract art, and even incorporate other colors to create striking contrasts. By the using of recommended nail polish, brands, and suggestions for nail care to ensure a long-lasting and flawless manicure that can enhance the beauty of your hands. Additionally, I include close-up shots of the nails to showcase the intricate details of each design, allowing viewers to get a better understanding of how to create them. I also feature the different nail lengths and shapes to create to a wider audience. In the end, viewers will walk away from this YouTube video feeling inspired and confident in experimenting with neon orange nails. Whether they are looking to make a bold statement or simply want to add a pop of color to their styles, my video provides an array of designs. My video provides all the designs and inspirations for creating stunning neon orange nail designs. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thanks for watching.